Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together with a project review today. It has been a while since we have last done it, and today's winner is the Neon ecosystem. As you may remember, Neon had a token sale on CoinList a while ago, and we will take a look at the project's detail while also learning how to test the network and request faucet tokens while integrating our Metamask and Solana wallets. To see more videos like this one, you can always subscribe to our channels and like our videos to show your support. Also, you can join our Telegram community to communicate with like-minded people. You will find all the links below this video. Now, if you're ready, let's get started. The Neon ecosystem is a blockchain platform built on the Solana network that aims to provide developers and users with a powerful and scalable environment for building and interacting with decentralized applications and smart contracts. It offers a wide range of features, tools, and platforms to support the development and growth of the ecosystem. At the core of the Neon ecosystem is the Neon EVM, which is Ethereum Virtual Machine. The Neon EVM is a compatibility layer that enables the execution of Ethereum smart contracts on the Solana blockchain. It allows developers to migrate their existing Ethereum-based projects to the Solana network, leveraging its high performance and low-cost transaction capabilities. By providing EVM compatibility, Neon opens up a world of possibilities for developers to tap into the Solana ecosystem while maintaining compatibility with the vast Ethereum developer community. To assist developers in building on the Neon ecosystem, comprehensive documentation is available. You can check the documentation from the Neon website. This documentation covers a wide range of topics, including setting up the Neon wallet, integrating with popular development tools, understanding the architecture and technical aspects of the Neon blockchain, and exploring the various features and functionalities provided by the ecosystem. Developers can find tutorials, guides, and examples that help them navigate the Neon ecosystem and implement their ideas effectively. The Neon ecosystem places a strong emphasis on community involvement and collaboration. The Early Builders program is designed to support developers and projects that are early adopters of the Neon ecosystem. Participants in the program receive resources, mentorships, and funding to accelerate their development efforts and contribute to the growth of the Neon community. Through the Early Builders program, Neon aims to foster innovation, encourage experimentation, and establish a vibrant ecosystem of decentralized applications and services. Neon provides several platforms and tools that enhance the developer experience and facilitate interaction with the ecosystem. One such platform is Neon Pass, a development environment tailored for building and testing applications on the Neon network. Neon Pass offers a suite of tools and features that streamline the development process, including smart contract deployment, transaction monitoring, and debugging capabilities. It provides developers with the necessary tools to create, deploy, and manage their decentralized applications effectively. Neon Scan is another integral platform within the Neon ecosystem. It serves as an explorer and analytics tool for the Neon blockchain, allowing users to explore and analyze transactions, addresses, smart contracts, and other relevant data. Neon Scans provides real-time insights to the state of the network, enabling users to monitor their transactions, track network activity, and gain valuable insights into the Neon ecosystem. In terms of governance, Neon has plans to implement a decentralized autonomous organization model. The Neon DAO will enable token holders and stakeholders to participate in the decision-making processes and contribute to the governance of the ecosystem. Through decentralized governance, the Neon community will have the power to propose and vote on important protocol upgrades, improvements, and changes. This ensures that the ecosystem evolves in a decentralized and inclusive manner with the interest of the community at its core. Neon envisions interoperability with other networks and services to foster a vibrant and connected ecosystem. Integration with established industry tools and protocols such as the Graph, Pyth, and Chainlink will provide developers with expanded capabilities, access to additional data resources, and enhanced functionalities for their decentralized applications. These integrations will enable seamless interoperability between the Neon ecosystem and other blockchain platforms, expanding the possibilities for developers and users alike. Looking at the roadmap, the Neon ecosystem is undergoing a phased development process. It started with the pre-alpha phase focused on the development of the Neon EVM and its stabilization. During this phase, rigorous testing and refinement took place to ensure the EVM's compatibility and performance. The alpha phase followed, where key decentralized applications were tested on the Neon network and support for ERC20 tokens was implemented. Additionally, a security audit was conducted to ensure the robustness and reliability of the ecosystem. The alpha phase also marked the rollout of Neon Fast, providing developers with a dedicated development environment. Moving into the beta phase, the focus shifted to the Solana mainnet, where the Neon EVM and the overall ecosystem were prepared for production readiness. Early decentralized applications were deployed on the network, showcasing the capabilities of the Neon ecosystem and attracting user adoption. Simultaneously, Neon DAO governance was rolled out, allowing community members to actively participate in the shaping the future direction of the ecosystem. Integration with industry tools and protocols like the Grab, Kite, and Chainlink further enhanced the functionality and utility of the Neon ecosystem. Whitelisted operators were also introduced to ensure network security and stability. Post-beta, the Neon ecosystem aimed for continued growth and expansion. The focus shifted to ecosystem-wide initiatives, including grant programs to support innovative projects and further ecosystem development. The Neon ecosystem also aimed to establish a decentralized operators network where network validators and operators contribute to the security and decentralization of the ecosystem. Finally, the Gamma phase envisioned full compatibility of the Neon EVM with the Solana mainnet. This milestone would allow seamless execution of smart contracts and interactions with other Solana-based applications. The Neon ecosystem aimed to integrate with top industry tools and services, enabling developers to leverage the most powerful and popular tools in the blockchain space. In summary, the Neon ecosystem offers a future-rich and developer-friendly environment for building and deploying decentralized applications and smart contracts. With its Neon EVM, comprehensive documentation, early builders program, Neon Pass development environment, Neon Scan Explorer, planned DAO governance model, interoperability with industry tools, and a roadmap outlining its development milestones, the Neon ecosystem is poised to facilitate innovation and drive the growth of decentralized applications on the Solana network. Now, let's integrate our Metamask and Solana wallets, request faucet tokens, and test the Neon network for a possible airdrop chance.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
This is the end of today's video, and I hope it was useful. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.